Okay, so this is a very simple solution that is available on Google Sheets for filtering data without affecting what other people who are collaborating in the same document see. If you collaborate often, I bet it happened to you that you are in a meeting where people are looking at a shared document and they are filtering for only their data, and then it affects what everybody else is looking at. So there's a very simple solution to that, which is called filtered views. I'm going to show you two ways of getting to that. So the first one, you come here to the little filter button where you click on the arrow and you create new filter view. And here you see it in black. Now what happens is you can go ahead and just filter. So say, for example, you are N and you only want to see the data to N, so we can just clear and select N only. And this is filtered only to you. Everybody else who's in the same document is seeing the whole data set. They are not seeing the data filtered as you are. You can name the filter view. So we are coming here and we're gonna call it my data only because I'm N. And if I come out of the filter view by clicking here on the little X, so now I'm out of the filter view. Whenever I come back here and I click on the arrow, you see my data only is here, so I can click back to it and it filters again only to me. There's a second way to get to the same thing, which is coming to data and filter views. And again, exactly the same thing. You can either create a new filter view or you can go to an existing saved filter view.